Hi everyone. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys know how to maneuver Canvas a little bit once you're in. So this is my class, but when you guys are going into your dashboard, this is kind of what you guys see first. I'm going to be going over my Tuesday, Thursday class on campus. So you're going to click on that. We are in week 2, so that's what I'm going to go over, okay? So week 2, you're going to open up where it says Flipgrid, new Flipgrid. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy this here. You're going to copy that. You're going to open up a new tab, and then you're just going to put that over into your address bar. You're going to press enter, and it's going to take you to the topic, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to press this plus button here. You're going to log in with Google because you already have your Gmail account. And then you're going to post a response to the question, which is how do you handle your loneliness? Okay, that's for this week. That is for that assignment. Then you're going to go into ReadWorks, okay? Now, ReadWorks is not on here, so what we're going to do is you're going to open up another tab. You're going to go to readworks.org, press enter. If you are not or have never used ReadWorks, then you're going to go to student login. You're going to log in with your Google account, okay? And then it's going to ask you for a class code. And so this is the class code 7V4DAY, okay? Once you're in, then you're going to be able to see the assignments that I have posted for this week, okay? Then on Tuesday, when we meet at 1 o'clock, you're going to get into your class. You're going to go down to where it says conferences. So this is the conference that we did on Tuesday. So the new one is going to be posted on here. It'll have a blue join button over here. And it'll say in progress. And so when you come into class, you're just going to press join, and then it will kind of look like a Zoom class, okay? But I want to take you through that because I want to minimize the amount of things that we are using. I'm learning how to use Canvas and how to integrate everything that we're already doing into Canvas so that it's just one place that you guys have to go into. But as of right now, I'm just putting in the links, and then you guys would go ahead and do your work. Okay, if you have questions, if you want to chat with anyone, that's where you would go on here, and then you would chat with whoever is online. I'm the only one online right now, so you would send me the email. Okay, and that's it. If you have any questions, email me.